welcome. You're watching Next IAS English. Today we are going to understand the latest update on the Great Nicobar Island project, a very important infrastructure initiative in India's island region. The government has prepared a map for denotifying tribal reserve lands to start the project. Denotification simply means removing the protected tribal land status so that development work can begin. But remember, this is a very sensitive topic क्योंकि ये involve करता है tribal rights and environmental issues. Moving forward, let's talk about what is the Great Nicobar project. अब ये project क्या है इसके बारे में हम बात कर लेते हैं. The Great Nicobar project is a 92,000 करोड़ मेगा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है. It includes a transshipment port, airport, power plant and township also. This is being developed by ANIIDCO, Andaman and Nicobar Islands Integrated Development Corporation. The idea is to make Great Nicobar Island a hub for trade, tourism and connectivity. But हमेशा याद रखिए, such projects also affects the environmental and local communities as well. So balance is very, very important. Moving forward, let's talk about what is denotification of tribal reserve. अब denotification क्या है tribal reserve का, इसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. Denotification का मतलब होता है to remove the tribal reserve tag from certain status or certain lands so that they can be used for public or government projects. Earlier, these lands were meant only for tribal habitation. However, according to Forest Rights Act of 2006, development cannot start until the rights of the indigenous tribes like the Shompen tribes community are properly recognized. So before denotification, authorities must ensure that the tribal people's homes, forests and livelihoods are protected. It's all about maintaining development with justice. Moving forward, let's talk about the current progress of the project. अब current progress के बारे में बात करते हैं. अभी तक the administration has completed a GIS based map from the help of forest department to mark which areas can be used and which should remain protected. They will finalize sites for towers also and other infrastructure only after discussions with local officials and tribal representatives like the Andaman Adim Janjati Vikas Samiti. Okay, and this is a very important step. A comprehensive tribal welfare plan will be ready next month. This plan will ensure that tribals get proper facilities, support and benefits from the project. So while development is happening, welfare is also being planned side by side. Moving forward, let's talk about the concerns and legal challenges. अब concerns और legal challenges के बारे में एक बार बात करते हैं. हर project के साथ कुछ challenges भी ज़रूर आते हैं. The Great Nicobar project faces legal and environmental clearance challenges, hurdles. Several forest and environment clearances are being challenged in courts. The Calcutta High Court is hearing petitions questioning whether the administration followed all rules related to tribal rights. There's also concern about the Shompen community, Shompen tribes protection and how the ecosystem might be affected. So basically, while the government is moving forward, it must satisfy all legal and ethical requirements before full-scale work begins. Moving forward, let's talk about the conclusion. अब conclusion के बारे में बात करते हैं. See, to conclude, this project is very significant for India's strategic as well as economic development, especially for maritime connectivity. लेकिन हमेशा याद रखिए, development should never come at the cost of tribal rights or ecological balance. Courts will decide the next steps, but the real success of this project will depend on how well we balance progress with preservation. यही है sustainable development का essence. Growth for all, but with respect for nature and people. So we have covered all the dimensions of this topic. अब आपके लिए इसी से जुड़ा एक सवाल. मैंने आपको शुरुआत में बताया था कि इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट का क्या बजट है और क्या क्या इसके मेजर प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. I want you to tell that in the comment section below. Let's see कितने लोग attentively सुन रहे थे इस वीडियो को. And that is it for today. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.